Okay, hello guys, it's Rajiv here. So today I'm going to be unboxing a product which I got from Flipkart after a long time probably. So this is going to be the product. The product is going to be a wristwatch. It's going to be a Timex wristwatch. The actual product name is going to be like TWEG15205 hybrid watch. It's a silver with gold color watch actually, with a black color dial and green color bezel, non-movable bezel. So let's open it and see what we have here. The pricing is very less. I bought it close to 4,450. The actual pricing is close to 8,000. I bought it for just half the price. It's really cool. So let's open it and see what we have here. Packing is okay. You can see the packing is a little compressed here, damaged in transit. I hope like the product inside is not damaged. So let's open it, but we have to see it. I already have a couple of watches. I already have a couple of Timex watches with me, so I'm not sure this is the exact watch I've got it. Let's need to open it. So what we have. Alright. Packing is okay, bubble wrapping, usual. And we have the Timex box in here. So there you go. I'm not sure. Let me see. It is the detail on top, and so yeah, there you go. So TWEG15205. Its pricing is close to 8,145, and I got it for close to half the pricing. Okay, nothing else, and we have the product details here. Maybe take some time to zoom in. Let's see that. Okay, model is TWEG15205 watch. The pricing is 8,145, right? So let's open it and see what we have here. So there you go. That's the watch, as I said. Okay, let's keep this thing aside. And that's the actual watch. It's a metal strap watch. Let's open it. Cool. Okay, so my first view is gonna be a little heavy watches, a pretty little big. Okay, in size, it has got all these functions coming out. Okay, maybe you can see. Okay, let's hold that for 1 minute. So there you go. So that's the watch here. Okay, it's got the minute movement, seconds movement, and the Timex written here, and 7 the date function. Okay, we have the seconds, we have the minutes, we have the 1/4 second, so 1/10 second. Okay, the thing which I loved in this watch is like its color. First, have a look at the strap. It's gonna be golden, silver on the side, and gold in the middle, and we have this bucking thing is actually here, which actually makes the needles to move here. Okay, those are gold colored, but otherwise everything is silver. You can see that silver, gold, silver. But that's a mixture of that and gold here as well. We have the bezel, which is non-movable. It's a green color, and whole dial here is a black with the red inside, with the 1/10 second movement. Okay, and it's a completely different watch. And we can see inside, you can see it says a Timex 1854. Okay, and let's see how this thing works. Watch the work now. Cool. So it keeps on rotating. I'm not sure what it does. Okay, so I'm not sure how the thing works or not. Okay, and okay, so there you go. You can see that's the stopwatch working. This one is going to be the seconds, and this is going to be on the course. It keeps on rotating, and when we stop, it stops. Okay, and it's going to be the reset. Okay, I'm not sure what this thing this one is for, but this one is for the start and stop. Okay, start and reset. We don't have anything light here. probably should be eliminated inside. I'm not really sure about that. Maybe the needles are eliminated, but I'm not really sure that works or not. Okay. Alright, so we need to put this across. Alright, so let's put this on my wrist. Okay, so there you go. A little bigger. I need to remove some of these straps here. So there you go. Alright, so looks okay to my wrist. Okay, I like it. Maybe you can see it. That's the thing which looks in my hands. Pretty nice. Size a little bigger, but okay. I can manage that. Okay, so and removing thing is very nice. We have the two-sided thing. Okay, we have other straps as well. Okay, cool. As you can see, right? So that's all the review, guys. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.